learn how to ride.
Don't worry, just keep trying and you'll get it. Here, how about I help you?
Yeah, I'm gonna learn how to ride a bike.
Actually, not yet. First, we are going to have to do an ABC check.
What? What's that?
The ABC check is a way to make sure your bike is in good shape to ride. A stands for air. That is the air in your tires. You can easily check this by pressing down on the tire with your thumb. It should feel pretty firm. This tire is no good, so we will need to pump some air. To pump, you will need to unscrew the cap, then you can attach the pump and pull the lever to tighten the attachment. If you are unsure how much to pump your tires, on the side of your tire should have numbers and letters. What you are looking for is the PSI range. That is the range you are looking out for on your air pump gauge. If your gauge doesn't work like mine, you can continuously check with your thumb. Next for our check are the brakes. To make sure they are working, you'll want to press on your brakes one at a time. Remember, the right brake is for the back tire. The left brake is for the front tire. Lastly is the chain. We are checking that it is running smoothly and well oiled. And that's the ABC check. Air, brake, and chain.
Now can I learn how to ride a bike?
Not quite, but we're almost there. You are going to want to lower your bike seat so that both of your feet can comfortably touch the ground. Some bikes will need a key and others have a lever to do this. Alright, now that we can sit comfortably, let's begin.
Yes!
If you're having trouble getting on your bike, it might help if you press the brakes as you get on. To ride a bike, we need to learn how to balance. So first, we are going to start off as astronauts walking on the moon, going 1 foot at a time, trying to keep your feet off the ground as long as possible. Then we're going to turn into kangaroos by starting at your heel and pushing off with your toes, just like how a kangaroo would hop. Once you've mastered that, it's time to take it to the next level. Turning. You can use the objects around you or place your own objects on the floor. When you are turning, you want to also use your weight. The way you turn, your body should lean that way too, but not too much or you'll fall over. Once you get that perfect balance, you'll be turning like a pro. Once you're ready for the pedals, the key is to have a good start. You'll want to prepare your pedal so that the pedal on the other side of the bike is high. Then, with your other foot on the ground, push on the high pedal as hard as you can to give you a good push. If you don't get that good push, your balance could be off and you could fall off the bike. To brake, it is best to use your right brake to brake the back tire. And soon enough, you'll be riding.